Hello viewers, in this video you will learn leverage analysis in the subject of financial management, paper 2, financial analysis for 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University. This video is presented by Mrs. Pushpalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Canara College, Mangalore, Dakshina Kannada District. After studying leverage analysis, you will be able to understand the meaning of leverage analysis, meaning of business risk and financial risk, types of leverage, and computation of operating, financial, and combined leverage, and computation of degree of leverages. Leverage actually means the action of a lever and the mechanical advantage gained by it. In this image, you will see how one can lift maximum weight with optimal effort with the help of fulcrum or support. Based on this rule, we will study leverage analysis in financial management. In financial management, we consider leverage as an investment strategy of using borrowed funds to magnify the potential return on an investment. Leverage describes the firm's ability to use fixed asset or fixed operating cost assets or funds, debt or preference capital, to increase the returns to its shareholders, who are the owners of the company. The fixed cost, that is called fixed operating cost, and fixed return, that is financial cost, remain constant irrespective of the changes in the volume of output or sales. The fixed cost or the fixed return acts as the fulcrum and the leverage magnifies the influence. In simple, leverage analysis is the technique used to measure the magnitude of relationship between risk and return on alternative sources of capital. When the companies like to generate greater returns on their investment, they employ the technique of leverage. However, it doesn't guarantee success. It may cause losses too if they are highly leveraged. For example, if a firm's earnings are more than its cost of debt, it is said to have a favorable leverage, but if the earnings are less than its cost of debt, then it is said to have an unfavorable leverage. It must be noted that higher the degree of leverage, higher will be the risk as well as return to its owners. Therefore, it is inevitable to focus on different types of risk and their measurement. We shall see first of all the meaning of risk and the different types of risk. Risk is not just the loss of returns, but the potential loss of entire investment too. Risk exists because of lack of certainty. There are two types of risks: business risk and financial risk. It can be defined as the risk of the firm not being able to cover fixed operating costs. Business risks are unavoidable risks because business functions in internal and external environmental forces. Business risk is associated with capital budgeting decision or asset mix decision, and it is measured by calculating operating cost. Financial risk is the risk of the firm not being able to cover fixed financial costs. It is avoidable risk. It is associated with the capital structure decision, and it is measured by calculating financial leverage. There are generally three types of leverage: operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage or composite leverage. First of all, we shall see what is operating leverage, how it can be calculated, and what is degree of operating leverage. Operating leverage is defined as the firm's ability to use fixed operating cost to increase the effect of changes in sales on its EBIT or operating profit. It is a measure of business risk and it is calculated by following the following formula. Operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT, or sales minus variable cost divided by sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. However, operating leverage denotes the presence of fixed cost in operating cost structure. Degree of operating leverage is used synonymously with operating leverage, which is defined as the change in operating profit due to a unit change in the level of sales. It is the most specific way of calculating the risk-return relationship. DOL, or degree of operating leverage, is equal to percentage change in EBIT divided by percentage change in sales. The percentage change in EBIT is calculated by dividing change in the amount of EBIT by original amount of EBIT, and percentage change in sales is calculated by dividing change in the amount of sales by the original amount of sales. Second one is financial leverage, which is defined as the ability of a firm to use fixed financial charges to magnify the effects of changes in EBIT on the earnings per share. It is a measure of financial risk and it is also called as trading on equity. Financial leverage is calculated in the following way. Financial leverage is equal to EBIT divided by earnings before tax if there is no preference dividend. If there is preference dividend, financial leverage is equal to EBIT divided by EBT minus preference dividend divided by 1 minus tax. Financial leverage is cost due to fixed financial cost. The most specific concept, degree of financial leverage, is defined as change in EPS due to change in EBIT. Degree of financial leverage is equal to percentage change in EPS divided by percentage change in operating profit. Percentage change in EPS can be calculated by applying the formula change in EPS divided by original amount of EPS. Percentage change in EBIT is calculated by change in EBIT divided by original amount of EBIT. So, degree of financial leverage can be calculated when you are provided with data of 2 time periods. Lastly, the combination of operating and financial leverage is known as combined leverage. So, combined leverage is defined as the percentage change in earnings per share occurring due to a given percentage change in sales. It is a product of operating leverage and financial leverage. It is a measure of total risk, and the degree of combined leverage is equal to degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage, or in simple way, percentage change in EPS divided by percentage change in sales. With this, I am coming to the end of this presentation. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like this video and share with your friends.